Something's wrong with the spaceship. We need to fix it right away.
Why don't we stop off on one of these planets, Manny? Look! This way looks clear.
Sounds good. I'll land right there.
What a calm night it is. Oof, perhaps a meteor would be pretty cool. Huh? What was that? Oh, come on, whatevs. Maybe I'll see that meteor tonight if I wait long enough.
Mutlu was going to measure to see if the stones would fit. It would be perfect. Oh, good morning, Butterfly. Oh, are you going to the treehouse of ours? Do you know what? I'm going there as well. Come on, let's go together. You fly and I'll walk. If you fly this fast, then I gotta take huge steps, just like my father. Good morning, Yellow Daisy. I went to the shore with my mom, dad, and my little brother, Mutlu. Then I picked colorful, tiny stones the whole day. I think I'll decorate them with you right now. It'll look perfect. Where is my basket? Oh, what is this? This is my basket. Does it have an eye? Who is there?
Hello. Hello. We are coming down.
Who are you? Huh?
Stop. Don't be scared. We come in peace.
You do? Then let's introduce ourselves.
Of course. I think this would be a splendid idea.
Hello there. I'm friendly like you. My name is Neşe.
My name is Manny in your language.
I'm which means Minnie in your language. Your clothes are so strange but still cool. That's because we came from a planet far away. So how in the world did you get here?
With a spaceship. It's in your backyard.
Well then, welcome to our planet.
I'm so excited. We made our first contact. We need to record this moment.
Come on, let's record it.
Can you please look this way, Neşe from the blue planet?
Not Blue Planet. The name of this planet is the Earth.
The Earth?
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your